champion Sébastien Ogier with a soaring leap through the famous FAF. In fourth, a joint effort from Finland. Chris Meek in pursuit of Yevgeny Novikov, fresh from a big smash in his Fiesta. Third, it's Collins Crest, Sweden, where else? This year, WRC2's Event Brynildsen setting a new record leap of 45 metres. In second place, Turkey 2010, Ukrainian privateer Alexander Saruk, one almighty jump and one lost front wheel. It could have been worse. And in first place, it's that man Novikov again. The Russian with a spectacular up and over in Finland from 2009. His Citroën landing rear end first,